right, y'all. Same day, man. New video. We told y'all we was gonna try to do this Evo for y'all, man. Look what we got. We got the Evo, man. 2014
Evo 10.
Evo 10. Okay, MR. Don't know what the MR stand for, but it's an MR. Let y'all check it out. The Mitshubishi Lancer Evo MR. Again, I don't know what the MR stand for. So, but yo, we drove it on the way over here. Man, ridiculous.
She moved.
Ridiculous. Now, I'm a muscle person.
I'm an import guy.
This an import guy. This his wave right here. So he like, yo, we doing the Evo. We doing the Evo. Yo,
and this is a 4-wheel drive car. So this bitch is not spinning off the line. You're straight moving as soon as you get off of it. You can brake boost. This is automatic. So I would advise a brake boost if you're gonna, you know, run with the car.
Hey yo, for automatic, this shit still feel like it's a manual.
This is one of my favorite brakes, just because they do what they do their job.
They do their job. Hell yeah. Yo, and this shit stop quick. Yeah, hell yeah. This shit when it definitely do stop.
Now the Evo 10 is what I was telling Jermaine over here. This is wide body. This is big boy shit. This is like it's got
chunky
a body.
one.
Yeah,
okay.
It's definitely chunky, so it'll pick up. This car, all it takes on is a little bolt-ons, and you're up there with anybody. All the little muscle cars and stuff that think they're fast.
Yo, he disrespectful. He said little muscle. Yo, he disrespect that because he know I like the Hemis. He can't do that, man.
Yeah,
disrespect
definitely keep up, man. This, I'm telling you, 800 horsepower. This thing will definitely keep up with any muscle car over 1,000 horsepower. I'm telling you.
Now, I don't know if any of y'all watched any of my previous videos. I own a Chrysler 200 with 295 horsepower. This is 291. And when I tell you day and night difference, this shit fly. It's that quick. And I think because it's a little lighter too. This move, man. So again, 2014, it's got 41,000 miles on it, and a ASCAN 31. It was 31,000.
That's a normal
31,000. So it's a 3-year-old Evo, and they still, you know, they hold their value, obviously.
They do.
Okay.
These cars do.
Again, so y'all getting on. So you got the big pipes on the back.
Yeah, 2 dual pipes on this car. You know, it's better for the turbo.
I need those 18-inch BBSs, the Brembos. All right, let's show them the hood real quick, bro, cause I want to see how crazy this turbo look.
So you got a 1.6, 1.8.
Right there, yeah.
This is what I was talking about.
Right, yeah. If y'all just watched our Ram Rebel video, we was just talking about how we don't like these, and of course we get the car with it in there. But here we go, right, turbo. You can see the big intercooler from right here.
Yeah, you definitely see that.
You see that in there.
Not much space. I mean, you got the intercooler piping right here, so I follow that to the turbo, and boom, I found it.
Turbo. Oh, it's a little baby turbo too.
It is.
Oh, they always put the little mini turbos on the cars.
Like
okay.
they do on the Saabs. I don't know if you ever seen the Saab turbos. They're tiny, so the WRX motors.
I don't know if y'all see that, but that's the turbo right here, right?
Yeah, right there.
Damn, you're right. That shit is hot.
That shit
is right there. That's the turbo, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see with the lighting or whatever, but that's the turbo back there. They got a nice look. I like the cover. That's different, you know, put some color on it. That's cool.
Yeah, the motor is just like that. I don't know if you guys know what SI is. So on the newer SIs, the K series are around. So instead of, you know, the manifold
being on the front,
the exhaust manifold is in the back of this car. So that's why the turbo's back there, and over here is the air intake. Okay. So
damn,
you got
man.
all little parts right here. It's not much plastic. Take that off.
I might have to look into the imports, man, because this definitely surprised me. Yeah, all right, man, we're gonna show them the inside real quick, because the inside, alright, in my opinion, it's alright. Yeah, but yeah. So this the key fob that come with it. Now it has no key, no nothing. Just the key fob. Man, these Recaro seats. Now, these bucket seats, they hold you in the seat, man. Definitely hold you in. But these is not comfortable at all, man.
Not comfortable.
Yo, like this is a racer car, man. You cannot daily drive. I can't daily drive this. I'm comfortable and all of that.
Definitely, if you're gonna, you know, want to have some fun with it or something like that, those seats are, you know, if people like the bucket seats, then yeah, get them.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't recommend these seats. These
Definitely not.
Stiff.
Yo, they hot. Yo, they stiff too, bro. Like you could feel like when you get out, the bolstering right here, it hits you in your leg and your calf, yo, and your thigh, and it hurt, man. Right.
But the back seats do look a little bit more comfortable than the front seats. Like if they would have put that type of design
in the front, yeah. So whoever had this car, probably, you think they came with the car or they switched them out?
No, they came with the car.
Oh yeah, so these is way better.
Oh yeah.
These is way better than the Recaros in the front.
Used to the seats because
it's carbon. What is this right here? Carbon fiber. Okay. That's a nice little design. Oh, it's plastic. Okay, light plastic. Gotta keep it plastic though, man. Keep the car light. Yeah. We got a little storage room in here.
I'm not sure what.
Okay, no. All right. You know, you usually got the little pop open thing to the trunk, but you know, we don't need all that. We don't need all that. We good money. So, okay, there we go. Rockford Audio. Rockford Fosgate. That's a pretty good audio company actually. What's back here? Okay. Oh, the battery oh damn, they put a battery in the back.
Okay, so if you guys know about track, usually what the track recommends you to do is put your battery in the back, and so they can dispose of it, like it won't catch on fire when the motor does. Okay. So that's good for the track, I'll tell you that much.
Something I ain't know about. Then you got your even the
windshield wiper fluid.
Yeah, the wiper fluid back here, like damn.
Okay, so
I like the steering wheel. It's nice and small, it's grippy. Unlike the Ram, this one got tight steering. Got the sunroof. What's up, man? We getting all the cars with sunroofs today, bro.
Yeah, the Evo 10s usually do come with sunroofs.
Now you don't need a key again. You just gotta have the key fob in there, and you can just turn this.
Yeah.
That's something different too. I don't think this come out, right? You can't take that out. So that's what you turn the key with. You know, it's got a little. Is this touchscreen?
Shut up.
We about to drive it real quick, so we gonna see. Oh, so it is touchscreen. Okay, little touchscreen. Rockford Fosgate. So it's got a nice little premium system in it, which is cool. Now, one thing we couldn't get when we first pulled out, to get it out of park, you could push the brake, but it's not that simple. You gotta pull this up
to go into reverse.
To go in reverse, and then you can go down. Which now this your drive modes right here. You click this up and down. You can go from normal, sport,
and just normal.
And just normal and sport. Okay, and then you got your all-wheel drive control button right here. I think it's on at all times. Oh, this can't be heated in.
Yeah, this
what?
Seats.
The Recaro seats heated?
Yeah, let me see if you feel it, cause yeah, I'm feeling mine. Mine.
What?
Yep.
Okay. So I thought these was aftermarket seats. All right, so these come stock with this car. Yeah, they heated. Okay.
I definitely gotta get this one then.
I didn't know that. So this is definitely a perfect winter car. All-wheel drive, heated seats. I don't think the steering wheel, all that stuff good though. But the big paddle shifters, and these are better because they not actually connected to the steering wheel.
Right. So
you're trying to turn the steering wheel and trying to push the paddle shifters at the same time.
Yeah.
That's way better when you got to push the paddle shifter up here. I think all the cars should come with the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel, not on the steering wheel. So okay, that's what I like. All right, man, we about to go on a ride real quick, cause I like this. Now this got some power. Now we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna tell you all the info, but it's got some power. Yeah, we about to make more. Oh, look at the M3, Oof. M4. Oh, that thing nice.
Yeah, that thing. Oh, okay. He seen you flex. And she moved.
Oh my God, bro.
Definitely moves.
In the gear, between gears, it shifts so fast. It definitely shifts fast.
Like the other cars, they lag.
Yeah, it's got that little lag. Yo, I gotta shout out my boy Shane, man. He looked out for us today, man. We did 2 dope whips today, man. Marina Dodge, man. Shane Pitts, bro. I'm gonna put all his information in the video and on the description too.
Come check him out, man. If y'all don't get this car from him, man, I'm thinking about it.
Somebody better come buy it, cause we've been looking for Evos throughout the city, and we couldn't find them.
They're hard to come by. I tell you what, man. They're trying to look for a car, especially stick shift ones. Woo!
And the Brembo serious.
They serious. That's a break I'm gonna look into, even if I don't buy that. Oh, that's TR.
He ain't want no smoke.
Yeah, he definitely didn't want it. We probably got the same turbo. I don't want to stop driving.
Yeah, I bet you don't, bro.
I want to. I'm telling you, son. I would definitely go home with this if I could. This is where we turned off, right?
Yeah, left. Actually, you know what? the second ride in this, the seat's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not. Like, it's something I can get used to. Like, now that the driver's seat is not as bad as the passenger seat. That's what I think. Like, my car.
I definitely feel a little comfortable in it now. What's up? Okay. This shit crazy. I'll trade my car in for this any day, bro.
Oh, bro, you'll love this car.
Any day.
You will love this car. Hey, right there. Thumb up, guy.
Man.
Come on down, financing for everybody.
Word.
And come ask him about this Evo, because this Evo is the best thing.
You like it, man. You might as well sell it to him.
Yeah.
He an
I love
import,
I love this Evo car.
Yeah.
I was looking for one stick shift.
Yeah. He an Evo dude. He an import dude, so.
Yeah, definitely is, man.
Or, yo, man, appreciate you, man, for letting me do that, bro. It's nice. Yo, I told him in the video I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up, bro. Word, cause this fire. This is tough. I like it, man. No problem, man. Yo, again, I'm gonna put all his information in the video, man. Where he work at, his Facebook, Instagram, everything, man. All right, Shane. Word, man. That shit was, bro. I'm
excited.
Yo, I don't know what else to say, man. That was it.
It was a speechless car, bro. It was.
Yo, he can't get over it. He love it. I mean, I like it. I like it too, but you know, I'm at the end of the
car that I'm getting that car.
Yeah,
like,
see.
I'm determined to.
And
after driving it, I definitely want it.
Yeah, hell yeah, see.
So that's why I'm excited about it. I got this big smile on my face because
where he cheesing.
I really like
he got the ear to ear going on, bro. We first came down, he like, yo, we driving the Evo.
Yeah, we driving the Evo. We had to hop in the truck first. Like I said, I'm not a truck guy, but that truck was.
The truck was nice. The truck definitely was nice. I think we just sold it, so we sold it, right? I think we sold it. We need a cut though. I need a check. We just sold that. We need a cut. But anyway, that's it, man. That's all we got for y'all. We gonna probably be doing I'm not sure what we gonna be doing next, but when we come up here, we'll figure it out what we gonna be doing. We out.